Welcome to the Philippines. Today we're diving into the chaotic, beautiful, and surprisingly affordable world of the Philippines. Forget fancy resorts and Michelin star meals. This archipelago is all about raw, authentic experiences. We're talking pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and smoking volcanoes, all without burning a hole in your wallet. Whether you're a backpacker on a shoestring budget or a flashpacker looking for some bang for your buck, the Philippines has something for everyone. Get ready to unlock the Philippines on a budget. Let's be real, nobody wants to blow their entire travel fund on flights and hotels. A little planning goes a long way, especially in a country as sprawling as the Philippines. First off, forget peak season. Aim for the shoulder seasons, those sweet spots where you get the best of both worlds, decent weather and thinner crowds. Next up, booking in advance is your best friend. Flights and accommodation tend to skyrocket as your travel dates creep closer. Now let's talk about flights. Don't be afraid to embrace the layover, my friend. Sometimes those connecting flights can save you a chunk of change. And hey, it's a chance to explore another city for a few hours. When it comes to accommodation, ditch the five-star resorts and embrace the world of guesthouses and hostels. You'll be surprised at the hidden gems you can find, often run by locals who know the best spots in town. Trust me, the real experiences happen outside the confines of luxury. Don't be afraid to haggle, especially at local markets and with transportation. The Philippines rewards the adventurous spirit, and a little bit of planning ensures you can fully immerse yourself in all its chaotic glory. Forget your Ubers and Lyfts, my friends, because the Philippines is all about embracing the local way of life. And when it comes to transportation, that means hopping on a jeepney. These colourful, often chaotic buses are a cultural icon and the cheapest way to navigate the islands. For shorter distances, flag down a tricycle. These motorcycle-powered sidecars are a ubiquitous sight and a fun way to zip through traffic. Just be prepared for a bit of a wild ride. And if you're feeling adventurous and want the freedom to explore at your own pace, rent a motorbike. Just remember, traffic in the Philippines can be, shall we say, spirited. So channel your inner Zen master and go with the flow. And here's a pro tip: download the Grab app, Southeast Asia's answer to Uber and Lyft. Trust me, it's an experience you won't soon forget. Listen up, budget travelers. Finding the right roof over your head doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or charm. The Philippines is a goldmine of budget-friendly accommodations, from cozy guesthouses to social hostels, each with its own unique vibe. Don't be afraid to venture beyond the usual online booking platforms. Sometimes the best deals are found by contacting guesthouses directly or simply showing up and negotiating a price. Remember, haggling is a way of life here, so channel your inner bargain hunter and don't be afraid to ask for a discount. Hostels are another fantastic option for solo travelers or groups looking to connect with fellow adventurers. They're a melting pot of cultures and a great way to exchange travel tips and stories. Plus, many hostels offer free walking tours, communal kitchens, and social events, giving you more bang for your buck. If you're looking for a more local experience, consider staying in a homestay. So choose wisely, embrace the unexpected, and get ready for an adventure that goes beyond the typical tourist experience. Alright folks, let's talk about everyone's favourite topic, food! And trust me, in the Philippines, you don't need a fat wallet to feast like a king. In fact, some of the most delicious and authentic dishes are found right on the streets. Forget your fancy restaurants and Michelin stars, street food is where it's at in the Philippines. From sizzling skewers of grilled meats to savoury soups and steaming bowls of noodles, your taste buds are in for a wild ride. Don't be afraid to dive into the unknown. Ask locals for their recommendations. They're the true connoisseurs of street food. If you're on a tight budget, cooking your meals is a great way to save some pesos. So loosen your belt, grab a plate, and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure through the streets and markets of the Philippines. Listen up, adventurers. The Philippines isn't just about pristine beaches and turquoise waters, although those are pretty damn amazing. This archipelago is brimming with hidden gems and off-the-beaten-path experiences, many of which won't cost you a dime. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the country's volcanic landscapes, trek through lush jungles, or chase waterfalls in hidden canyons. The Philippines is a hiker's paradise, and the best part is, most of these natural wonders are free to explore. For a cultural immersion, delve into the country's rich history and heritage. Visit ancient churches and Spanish colonial towns, wander through local markets, or simply soak up the vibrant street life. When it comes to tours, skip the expensive tourist traps and opt for local guides or group tours. The Philippines is a world-renowned destination for water sports, and there are plenty of affordable options available. All right, adventurers, let's talk about staying safe in the Philippines. Like any destination, it's essential to be aware of your surroundings and take precautions to protect yourself and your belongings. First and foremost, choose your destinations wisely. While the Philippines is generally a safe country, certain areas may pose higher risks. Research your destinations beforehand, and if you're unsure about safety, check with local authorities or fellow travelers. When it comes to transportation, opt for reputable companies and avoid traveling alone at night, especially in unfamiliar areas. Keep your valuables close and be wary of pickpockets, particularly in crowded markets and tourist spots. The Philippines is a tropical country, so pack accordingly. Bring insect repellent, sunscreen, and a hat to protect yourself from the sun. Trust your instincts, be aware of your surroundings, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Get ready to have your wanderlust ignited. We're about to dive into the top 10 budget-friendly destinations in the Philippines, each more enticing than the last. First up, we have Siargao, a surfer's paradise with consistent waves, laid-back vibes, and affordable accommodations. Next, we venture to Coron Island, where limestone cliffs plunge into turquoise waters, revealing hidden lagoons and world-class snorkeling. For a taste of history and culture, Vegan awaits, a UNESCO World Heritage City with cobblestone streets and horse-drawn carriages. Then, prepare to be enchanted by Bohol, home to the Chocolate Hills, a geological wonder, and the adorable Tarsia primates. Nature lovers, get ready for Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, an underground river system that will leave you speechless. And for a taste of paradise, head to El Nido, Palawan, where towering limestone islands rise from crystal-clear waters, creating a surreal and unforgettable landscape. Adventure seekers will find their haven in Banaue, where the majestic rice terraces carved into the mountain slopes offer breathtaking views. Finally, no trip to the Philippines is complete without experiencing the warmth and hospitality of its people. So, there you have it, folks. We've explored the ins and outs of unlocking the Philippines on a budget, from snagging cheap flights and accommodations to navigating local transportation and feasting on delicious street food. Remember, budget travel isn't about sacrificing comfort or experiences. It's about embracing a different way of exploring the world. The Philippines, with its stunning natural beauty, rich culture, and warm hospitality, is the perfect destination for budget travelers. So pack your bags, embrace the adventure, and discover the magic of the Philippines without breaking the bank. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through the Philippines. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Look, you don't need me to tell you that travel, real travel, the kind that gets under your skin and stays with you long after you've returned home, doesn't have to cost a fortune. The Philippines, with its chaotic charm and raw beauty, is a testament to that. It's a place where you can get wonderfully lost in bustling markets, where a jeepney ride is a cultural experience, and where a plate of adobo will set you back a couple of bucks. This country will challenge you, surprise you, and ultimately reward you with experiences you won't find in any guidebook. So, ditch the fancy resorts and pre-packaged tours. Get out there, get a little lost, and discover the magic of the Philippines for yourself. The Philippines, man, it gets under your skin. It's raw, it's real, it's a sensory overload in the best possible way. You want pristine beaches? You got 'em. You want smoking volcanoes? They're here. You want a history that's as complex as its flavors? dig in. But more than that, it's the people, man. The warmth, the generosity, the resilience. It's enough to restore your faith in humanity. And that, my friends, is what makes it so damn beautiful.